Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a USB computer headset. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a telephone headset from the company Newbie, and this is the model H360. This headset is perfect for Skype calls, Zoom calls, conferences, or office work and stuff. You can even use it for gaming purposes if you really wanted to, because it has a built-in microphone that is noise canceling that you can utilize with this headset. It also has, built-in sound controls you can actually control with buttons on the headset itself, and it's powered via USB. So there's a lot of different specifications and details that this USB headset has to offer. But before we get into all the juicy details, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if it's your first time tuning in or checking out this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video after watching it. Make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. And then if you guys actually want to get more information or get more details about this product, make sure you guys go down below. Those product information and specifications you can take a look at to get all the specifications and details if you're interested in that kind of information. But right now, what we're going to do is move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, the packaging for this headset is fairly simple. As I spin it around, you guys can see there is a few specifications and details which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. As you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, it just says Newbie right here. That's the model name, and it's a telephone headset. And you guys can see this is a picture representation of this headset. As I flip it onto the back side though, you guys can see there is a few specifications and details. You guys can take a pause and look at that information if you want to look at that kind of info. But let's just proceed with the unboxing of this headset. So there is a flap on the back side which I'm going to open up, pull this back just like that, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with all the contents that are inside this headset. So obviously we have the headset itself right here, which I'm going to pull out. We got our inline microphone right here that we can utilize to make Zoom conferences, phone calls. We also get included with the packaging. It looks like we got some instructions or some details on how to use this headset. It looks like you can get some product specifications and details with this card as well. And we also have the USB add-on that you can actually plug into this headset that has all our different media controls and functionalities, as you guys can see with the secondary camera angle. We can have the mic on and off. You can turn up the volume or turn down the volume, and then you can also mute yourself. This is where you'll plug in the auxiliary cable into this control box before plugging this into your laptop that you're using. This is everything that's actually given inside the packaging of this headset. We got user manuals, we got the actual headset itself right here, and we have this little control pad that's USB on the other end. So we're going to move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. First off, let's actually take this headset and put it on. So you guys can see you can fold the headset into this very compact design, and this is how the cushions look like. It's a pretty soft cushion. The microphone itself is not detachable, so do keep that in mind if you do want to use it. But it's not too flimsy, so don't go back and forth too much. But overall, the design doesn't look too bad. And what I'm going to do is actually set this on my head. That's how the design looks like. I can move this microphone around to any angle I need to. Just make sure that the microphone itself is pointing to your mouth when you're using it. And you guys can see that's how it looks like on this side. The cable itself is pretty long, so I can actually have this cable from a distance away to whatever device or laptop I'm utilizing to make Zoom calls, Skype calls, or whatever I'm doing. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug this into this end of the auxiliary cable, just like so. And now we can take this USB cable and plug it into the laptop that's beside me. So let me plug it in. I have a song loaded up, and we're gonna test it out with this song, and I'm just gonna hear how the audio quality sounds with these headphones. And it looks like we're not maxed out yet. Let me go all the way to 100%. And if you guys hear anything that is audio leakage, the audio's not too bad with this headset. It's a pretty standard pair of headphones, I guess, but the quality doesn't sound too bad. Open up Audacity, and I'm gonna do a quick little demo with these headphones and see how the sound quality of the microphone sounds.
Hello guys, how's everybody doing? Right now we're testing out the newbie H360 telephone headset. Let's just see how the quality sounds. There is a lot of different media controls we have, like, you know, you can mute yourself, you can turn up the volume, turn down the volume, you can also mute the microphone, which I'm going to mute right now. And now you guys should be able to hear me because what I just did was mute my microphone. But let's see how this audio sounds. I'm not too close to the microphone, and hopefully this sounds really nice.
So I just listened to the audio that this headset captured, and the audio isn't too bad. You know, if you're doing conferences or Skype calls and Zoom calls, this would be an ideal microphone to use because the audio honestly sounded so direct and so clear. You know, it didn't really have any, like, you know, distortion or anything like that. I didn't hear any static noise. So this microphone's actually pretty solid. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this headset from the company Newbie? Well, honestly, this headset is pretty generic, it's pretty standard, and it pretty much does the job. You know, the microphone was pretty good as I tested it out in the testing portion of the video. The music quality wasn't too bad, but do keep in mind, you know, this is for conferences and office work and, you know, just talking to people. So it's not really for music listening. So if I was listening to maybe a podcast, I'm guessing the audio would probably sound pretty much, you know, up to par with a lot of phones and, you know, traditional headphones that people use. But overall, it's not a bad headset. It's definitely a pretty, you know, does the job kind of headset. And, you know, the sound quality is pretty superior if you have to ask me. But that is going to conclude our test for today. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button, especially if you're brand new to our YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this headset, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys also go down below and leave a like, as that just informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product as well, you could also contact me through my business inquiries email, which is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any assistance with this product. That is the email address you can use to reach out to me. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this headset, product information and specifications will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with all the details and information if you're interested in that kind of info. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.